Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been forever since like August, but I appreciate it if you're still here. And if you want to know how to do this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so here I'm going to be using a dupe flash palette from Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and just outline my petals. What you want to do here is kind of make them like little teardrops. And this is literally how slow I was drawing them, but I'll speed it up. This is just to show you to take your time and ignore my eyebrow. I lost the footage for that. Okay, so right here you're going to make your second layer of petals. And I only did 2 layers, and then you just repeat the same thing. Okay, so right here I'm going in with one of the Jaclyn Hill palettes, and I'm going to take the yellow eyeshadow and I'm going to press it all over the petals. That way we can set the paint, and then also that way it'll help us blend later on. Okay, and then again, this is just to show you how slow I really go. I'm going to be showing you guys how slow I go probably throughout the whole video. Well, not probably, I am. But this is so you can see it. Okay, and then from here I'm going back in with that flash palette, and I'm taking the brown color, and I'm going to go ahead and start outlining the petals. That way I can start knowing where exactly I want to do my shading at. So you just want to go really slow, take your time, and it's okay if you mess up. Of course, it's just makeup, so it wipes off. Okay, so right here my camera died, but this is just to show you guys. I've filled in or outlined all of the petals. Now I'm going to go in with the Kylie Jenner palette, and I'm going to take the brown that I'm pointing at, and I'm going to start shading upwards from the bottom up. And then that's how we get the ombre effect, and of course that helps us blend a whole lot better. Okay, so from here, I'm taking the orange from the same Kylie palette, and I'm going to go ahead and go on top of the brown and still go from down up. That way I can get a better blend effect. And then, of course, I'm showing y'all the normal speed, and then we'll go ahead and speed it up here in a second. Okay, then from here, I'm going to go ahead and take the Smashbox little eyeshadow palette, and we're going to use the yellow and kind of blend it all together. Of course, that helps with our colors blending with one another. So here I'm just cleaning the edges off of my face that I don't want to be there with a brush that has makeup remover on it. Now here I'm just going back in with that same Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that brown again and we're going to put it all over our eye. So then after that, once we're done, we're going to go in with the Flesh Palette dupe that I have. I'm going to take the white and we're going to go ahead and add highlights to our petals. And this is kind of what makes it look more realistic, in my opinion at least. And then from here, I'm going to take my Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm going to go ahead and just set my entire eye with this. What this does, again, it just holds in our paint that we had. That way it doesn't move. And then after that, once I wiped it all off, I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow. That was a Morphe palette. I didn't show it too well, but I'm going to go in and then I'm going to go along the sides or the bottoms of the petals, and then that way that gives it a little bit more shape and depth into our eye. And then I'm going to go back in with that same palette and I'm going to get like a copper tone. This has kind of like a shimmer into it. I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. And then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Of course, I just added some eyelashes and mascara.
You have a prepaid call from Jay White.
So from here you can use any liquid liner that you have. I use like 3 of them. Or you can use black paint to draw your scarecrow lips or mouth or whatever that is. You're going to go ahead and just do the lines all over your mouth. Of course on your cheeks. Okay, so after that, I'm going in with some black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put that in the inner part of my mouth because I don't want my lipstick to look too fresh, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it if you've hung out through this entire video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And please subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.